We're heading out today. I just got home from work because the time changer makes it hard to get to a place before it gets dark. But look at that. Joni already hooked everything up for me. I like it.
Getting here right at sunset.
Man, it's like so dark out here already. I don't like it. Oh, looks like we're getting ready to have our first round of pie iron meals.
Did they tell you what we're doing?
Something Italian.
We're doing Italian theme tonight. So spaghetti. I'm thinking it's like going to be like a hot pocket with spaghetti in it. I don't know for sure they're doing that. And then I'm going to take like tortilla shells and wrap them up and do like almost like a pepperoni, but I'm going to try with the tortilla shell. So it's not like, it'll get crispy, I think, pretty easily.
Yeah,
and it'll melt everything.
There you have it.
Yeah, I think we'll figure it out.
That's how we're going to roll tonight. Got a nice fire.
Yeah.
It's very calm. It was really windy on the drive up. Very calm now. But the Perrimans finally got here. We're ready to roll, and it's Italian night. What you got in
The
there?
whole weekend is going to consist of eating out of these things.
We've done it before, by the way.
Have you?
We've never done it
Yeah,
before.
we've never done it before.
We've used pie irons,
Yeah,
but
we've
not
used
like,
not like a whole weekend.
like the whole...
Maybe we'll do up some garlic bread while
Johnny,
we're
pull your iron out, please.
pull it out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that might work out a little easier.
I've cooked one of these before.
I know.
So how are you making this? Is it like
Just doing a regular pie iron.
buttery
I just have,
bread?
I put garlic salt on.
Okay. And
I
then,
have spaghetti that I bought from the deli.
okay. Oh, I didn't know.
I didn't know it either.
It
but
does look good.
I was like, that will be so much easier.
That looks really good.
So
So this is going to cook like a sandwich, is what you're saying.
should be sealed shut like a sandwich.
Wow. We're loading this in. What y'all think?
That's really good.
Okay, round one successful. The grand reveal. That's very good.
I got meatball. The whole damn thing. Ooh, glad I didn't cuss since you got it on film.
That's very good.
That is phenomenal.
This is gonna be hard to outdo this, then.
I don't know what it is. It's just, it is G-double-O to the dog D good.
Whoa.
What are you
decided
making
to
again?
listen to Mike?
S'mores pies.
S'mores pies.
S'mores pies. But they're a peanut butter s'more pie.
Have you made this before?
This is my favorite.
You guys need more pie irons.
There's only two of us.
I don't care.
Oh, look, you've got chocolate on my peanut butter.
Uh-huh. I've done that. It's really good.
A s'more pie assembly line going on. Very unique.
It's like having, have you ever had a s'mores, like a s'mores cobbler? Or I've had s'mores cobblers or chocolate fudge cobblers, and they aren't what you expect, because most time when you eat a cobbler, it's a fruit kind of cobbler. So it's a little different. Very good.
What are your thoughts on it?
It's really good.
What a beautiful sunrise we had this morning. We're just out on our walk to see the sunrise. You see it's right behind me. Just a really cool sunrise.
So this morning, our pie iron challenge continues. We're gonna make stuffed French toast.
Yum.
So see how that goes.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're gonna put our hands at that and kind of see what else we get into.
Right on. Let's enjoy the day. So first of all, we're making pie iron French toast, stuffed French toast. As you can see, all this stuff here. We just have never done this before, so we're trying to figure it out.
So we got sausage links in here. 4 sausage links. Those look good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, those look perfect.
Beautiful on that side. Yeah, those are very nice.
What is it?
All right, first bite of this. It might be hot.
Where's the blueberry stuff?
Wow.
That's good.
Mike's dancing in his shoes.
Good.
All right, so Joni's getting changed. We're going to head into the town of West Unity with the Perrimans. Supposedly this town is like a Hallmark town. It's like something you'd see on a Hallmark movie. That's what we're told. We don't know. We're going to go check it out.
It's weather. I said it wrong.
Do it again.
It's weather.
No. With a T, sweater.
Sweater.
I don't know how we managed, but they got a big old party going on down here, man. It's just the town is open.
Going in.
Somebody singing Christmas carols. You hear that? It's pretty awesome already.
I think I found the next pillow for us. So fitting.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing on bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time. We're gonna rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Okay, so far, at least in November on a Saturday, this town's a hidden gem. You're good, man. You're good. A lot of really cool things happening downtown here. It's very cool.
Look at the bed of this truck.
Yeah, check out this truck just sitting here.
That is a beautiful hardwood bed. This is he's got it finished this way. That is
Yeah.
glossy.
Done that way, yeah.
It is.
It's got clear on it. It's got clear
Look at
coat.
the inside. Oh man, that
Inside's
is,
immaculate. Wow.
that is very cool.
Just never know what you find when you go to a small town.
3, 4. Starting route to Archbold. Proceed to the route.
Diner. Cute. Moms. Very cute. So if we're eating lunch out and not out of a pie iron, is it cheating?
No, because we made the rules and we can break the rules.
Oh, that's
It's
right.
like Calvin Ball.
When you're running around and you don't have time to get back, start a fire that cooks some lunch in a pie iron,
Yeah.
you got to stop at Mom's Diner in Archbold, which is one of the coolest little 50s diners
Yeah.
I've been in.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The straw is bigger than my mouth can open.
Is that the big spoon?
That is a good Oreo. Holy crap.
Can I try it?
Yep.
That is a big straw. Holy cow. That is really good.
Thank you.
What'd you get?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter and
Classic chocolate.
This is a motorcycle destination.
Yeah.
Okay, so we stopped at the Spangler factory, which I had no idea is in Bryan, Ohio, and they make dum-dums.
Jen,
And,
Jen did all the
if you're
research
thinking
here.
that dum-dums, they didn't make me. They make the little suckers that are dum-dums. And they used to do factory tours, stuff like that, but they don't do them anymore. But we wanted to stop at least see that. But hey, the little things you find in just these little towns in Ohio, it's amazing. I didn't even know they were made here.
Yeah. Can anybody say what movie had the dum
Yeah, put in the comments below if you remember the movie where he said
A character?
no gum dum dum,
something like that.
something
yeah.
like that. Put it in the comments below if you know. Cat dragged in.
Boondocking.
Docking with the boys.
I guess it is Veterans Day, so I can hang out with him on Veterans Day.
You can hang out with him any day.
I can, but
Don't tell him that.
all right, so we did set this up as a pie iron weekend where all our meals would be on pie irons, but we were gone all afternoon and we had to get some lunch. Now we're so full from Mama's that we're not cooking in a pie iron tonight. So I think we're just gonna like do popcorn over
And
the fire,
what
which
was-
is kind of like pie iron, just big enough to do popcorn. I just cannot eat like that again. This weekend, Joni and I found ourselves at Harrison Lake State Park. Our camper was nestled in one of nature's nooks with a great view of the lake. The air was crisp and our campfires were warm as we spent time with friends. The sunrises seemed to dance on the lake as everything came to life in a time when they're really meant to be sleeping. As someone who craves the warmth of summer, I can't imagine a more perfect fall weekend to camp. As we set up camp, the smell of pine overwhelmed our senses, reminding us that fall has not let go of its season. We explored the most quaint small towns as they were overflowing with holiday cheer, and I can't imagine a more perfect situation to camp where we just breathed in the beauty of fall camping. Days like these are rare and precious, and I don't want to miss them. What about you? Are you ready to join us on this amazing adventure? Happy glamping. All right, so to carry on our theme of using pie irons, this is what we're trying to throw together for breakfast in a pie iron. We have no idea if this is going to work. Now carry it very flat. Do not tilt it. Do not. It's still sticking. Still sticking.
Put a little bit of that ghee in the bottom.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's going to make your eggs buttery.
Scraps.
Okay, so there's your hot pocket. Oh, that one's good.
I know, I don't want the back to be. Can you touch it, see if it's gooey or is it done?
I think it's gooey. Yeah, that feels good.
Stick this back.
Ham and cheese. That looks delicious.
From Pennsylvania, folks are driving down the Dixie sunny shore.
Ooh, that hash brown looks epic. And the flip. Perfect. I'm gonna make me a peanut butter and grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich off of the cheese, potato, sausage, and egg.
Nice.
Set this over here and I'm just gonna do a big old flip. Oh yeah, look at that.
No, it's
It came out perfect.